Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be designing and creating this cool page with a nice wavy effect, just like you see on the screen. So I'm just going to show you how this works. So we'll be creating and prototyping these cool effects that you can use on any of your designs. So with that being said, let's get started. So let's create an artboard. Mine is 1400 by 850. So let's show our guides. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is create a box that is half the page. Alright, so this is where our image is going to go in. Alright, so the next thing is actually creating the text. Okay, so the name of the text is Moon, which is the name of the company. The font I'm using right now is Proxima Nova, and the font size is actually black, which makes it very bold. Okay, let's put it at the center. Alright, so let's create the links navigation. We have services. Just gonna make this really small since pixel is fine. I'm gonna make it regular. Give it a dark color. Let's remove our guide so we'll see what we're doing. Okay. Yeah, we can just use this to measure up. So from the top down, I want to give it maybe 50 pixel, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so let's change the color. It's a bit black. Yeah. The next link will be work. That shows the work of the company, the project they've worked on. The last will be theme. Okay, so we can try to make this smaller, maybe 18 pixels. Good. Let's group them. Let's check. Okay, nice. Yeah, so the next step is actually creating the text effect. So this is, so I need you guys to pay a little bit of attention right here, because it's a little bit tricky. Okay, so I have my design element already. I designed it already, so we'll be using that. I'm going to show you guys in a minute how I did this this design. All right. Good. Okay. So we want to convert this text to a path, so you right click on it and convert to path. Okay, without converting the text to path, you will not be able to mask it. So we bring this just in front of the text and we bring the text forward. Okay, good. So the next thing is actually selecting both of them and then mask with shape. Okay, so we are masking this text with the shape. Okay, good. So you can double click on it, go inside the shape and then expand the shape for whatever size you need, and I think that's fine. Okay, and guys, don't forget we'll also be prototyping this, and so let's just finish with the design first. Cool. So we have this text now that we can use as our logo. So you duplicate it and then you reduce the size. So the size of your logo, whatever size you want to choose. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Cool. Yep. I already have an image. I'm just gonna place the image right here, but let's just create more text description about the company. Okay, this is just an lorem ipsum text. Just place it close to it, and then let's create a call to action button. "50 pixels. The fill should be this, so you can choose whatever color you need or you want, and the text will be let's just use one of these text. Okay, change the color to white, and then center it horizontally and vertical. Text should read "Get in touch." Okay, cool. We also want to give this a shadow. So the shadow color will be the same with the text and with the fill of the button. We're going to reduce the opacity of the shadow to 16. Okay, on the y-axis we're going to give it 10, and then on the below 30. Subtle effects, and want to make the edges round, so I think 2 is fine for that. Okay, now we have our text. Let's center it. Okay, oh sorry, let's group it, then move it up a little bit. Alright, and then center it. Cool. So I'm just going to grab an image I have already and just drop it here. Cool. Yep, I think that's okay. Remove the border of the text of the rectangle, and then let's create a nice elements. So just on the edge of the design. So let's make this 80 pixels width. Just around the corners. Okay, and then we rotate it to 45 degrees. Cool. Alright, move the border color and then give it a feel of the same, or maybe it should be lighter. Alright, duplicate it. Okay, so you can just fix it any way you want, it's fine. Cool. So we're done with the page, so let's move into prototyping it. Okay, we want to duplicate the text, the page, not the text, the page. So Ctrl D to duplicate. All right, give it a nice space between them. Okay, so yeah, we want to move. When you double click on the text, you want to move it downwards to the point where it's no longer showing. Okay, so it looks like there's nothing there, there's no text there. Okay, and you also duplicate the second artboard. All right. Okay. And let's move this. You know what? We duplicate the first artboard, not the second one. All right. Because the effect we want to give is it's going to slide up, then down, then up again. And yeah, and we'll duplicate the second artboard. So in total we have 4 artboards. It's just a repetition of the first 2 artboard. And yeah, let's try this and see how it works. So go to prototype. Okay, on the first artboard we click on this arrow and then move it to the second artboard. Okay, and that's a tab. The type of the transition should be auto animate. Okay, ease in, out, and then maybe 1 second. Okay, we click on the second artboard, we do the same thing, and the settings are already saved, so there's no need to change them. And then we move on to the third artboard, and then we move it to the last. Okay, so we connect every artboard to each other, and then maybe we can actually connect this back to the first artboard just to show you guys how it works. Yep. So let's try this. Fingers crossed. So when we click on this, okay, good. This is very good. So on the second artboard and the third artboard, we actually use a tab as a trigger instead of time. So what we need to do is use time instead of tab, so it goes automatically without clicking on the artboard. So you change the trigger to time, and you come to the third artboard and also change the trigger to time. So let's give it a try again. How is that, guys? Let me know in the comment section below how you feel about this design. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like this channel. Now I'm going to show you guys how I created these effects that I use for the text. Let's just see the prototyping once more. It's so cool. Wow. Again. It's like a wave going through a text. Nice. Okay, quickly. So this is the design that I used for the text. I marked with the text. So I'm just going to show you guys quickly how I designed this. Let's ungroup it. You guys can just see that they are just a combination of different sizes of oval shape. So I'm going to show you guys now how to do that. Okay, so you create an oval shape. All right, let's remove the fill. You duplicate it, All right, so we have two overs now. Okay, so you want to increase the size a little bit. Yeah. Okay, you duplicate it again, increase the size, you duplicate, increase the size, you duplicate again, increase the size. I mean, you guys can see you can do it as much as you want, and the next thing you have to do is you have to bring this to the front. Okay, it's getting confusing. Yeah, you bring the smallest to the front and the biggest to the back. Okay, okay. All right, and then you can give it different colors. So how I got this color is I do have there's a plugin called, what is it called? Yeah, instant color. So this gives you a variety of colors. So I use the ant design colors and I generate the colors. So you can see them here. These are all the color. The ones I used for this design was the blue. Okay, so you guys want to know how I got the colors, the tones and the values. That's it. Use a plugin called instant color. Okay, so yeah, what we can do now is start giving it a feel. All right, then the next will be this, and the next will be this. So every time you go downwards, the color gets darker. Okay, I mean, you guys get the idea, right? And the last one will be whatever color is fine. You can see, and you move the fill. You can see the effect that it's already creating, and you can just keep on doing this until you get this. Okay, so that's how I created the design elements. So thank you guys for watching. I'm just going to show you guys how the prototype works again. So cool. Alright, down, then back up. Nice. Alright, see you guys. Take care. See you guys next time.